Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Show. My name is Emma, and today I have Mike with me.
Hey everyone, it's great to be here, Emma. I'm really excited about today's topic.
Me too. So, the title of today's video is Looking Back, Moving Forward, reflecting on the past year and setting goals for 2026. In this video, we're going to talk about how we experienced the past year, the lessons we learned, the moments that stood out, and also what our goals and plans are for the year ahead. But more importantly, we're going to help you talk about your own year in natural, real English, the kind of English you'd actually use when reflecting on your life or sharing your goals with friends.
Yes, and don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Later in the video, we'll explain the difficult words and advanced phrases we use today, so stay tuned till the end.
By the end, you'll have a much clearer picture, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to understand the entire conversation comfortably.
Yes, that's right.
All right, let's get started.
So, Emma, when you look back at the past year, what's something you're genuinely proud of?
Honestly, I became a complete gym freak this year, and I'm really proud of that.
That's impressive. Was that always part of your routine?
Not at all. I used to struggle with consistency, but this year, working out became non-negotiable for me.
That's a great word, non-negotiable. So even on days when you didn't feel motivated, you still showed up.
Exactly. Motivation came and went, but discipline stayed. And the funny thing is, I had a serious sweet tooth before.
I can relate to that. So how did you manage to balance that?
I didn't completely cut sweets out, but I became more mindful. Instead of saying, I can't eat this, I started asking, do I really need this right now?
That mindset shift makes a huge difference. For me, one big change last year was improving my daily routine. I stopped trying to do everything at once. Instead, I focused on building small, sustainable habits, like sleeping better and planning my days.
That sounds very intentional.
It was. I realized burnout doesn't come from working hard. It comes from working without direction.
That's such a powerful point. Looking back, I think the past year taught me the importance of self-discipline and self-respect.
Exactly. And I think those lessons naturally shape our goals for the new year.
So, speaking of goals, what are you aiming for this year?
This year, I want to focus on long-term consistency, not quick results. I don't want temporary progress. I want lasting change.
I love that. For me, my goal is to maintain the habits I built last year, especially my fitness routine.
So it's less about starting something new and more about maintaining momentum.
Exactly. Starting was also hard, but staying consistent is the real challenge.
That's very true. I also want to be more selective with my time, saying no to distractions and yes to things that actually add value.
That's such a mature goal. I feel like the past year made us more aware of what truly matters. All right, so that was our conversation about how we spent our past year and our goals for the new year. To help you talk about your own year in English, we're going to go through some words and phrases you just heard and how to use them naturally. Gym freak. Someone who is extremely enthusiastic about going to the gym and fitness. Example, I've become a bit of a gym freak this year, and honestly, I'm proud of it. Non-negotiable. Something you are committed to with no excuses. Example, going to the gym became non-negotiable in my routine. Sweet tooth. A strong liking for sugary foods and desserts. Example, I have a sweet tooth, so reducing sugar was one of my biggest challenges. Mindful, being aware and deliberate about your choices. Example, I became more mindful about what I eat and how I spend my time. Consistency over intensity, focusing on steady, regular effort rather than short bursts of extreme effort. Example, I want to focus on consistency over intensity in my fitness routine. Sustainable habits, habits that can be maintained long-term without burnout. Example, I focused on building small, sustainable habits that I could keep up all year. Momentum, the motivation and energy you gain when you keep moving forward consistently. Example, once I started seeing results, I built momentum and stayed committed. Intentional, doing things with purpose, not just following habits blindly. Example, I want to be more intentional with my time and energy.
That's an awesome explanation.
Hope you learned the words and phrases and made notes if you wish.
Remember, the key is to be confident when reflecting on your year. Use these words naturally in your own conversations.
And we'd love to hear from you. Comment your goals for this year below. Thanks for listening to us.
See you in another great lesson.
Bye for now.